Okay, welcome another tutorial Somali language. This is asking question in Somali using the word ma, M-A, ma, or miyaad. So, how to ask questions in Somali? Let's begin. If you do want to ask someone a question, you can use a couple of formats, but one format that's very simple is using this format, which is ma or miyaad. The first S means su'al, question. S, su'al, question. Arday, miyaad tahay. Arday, miyaad tahay. The word in the blue ink, A-R-D-A-Y, that means student in Somali. Miyaad tahay. Miyaad, M-I-Y-A-A-D, that's the format of question. Miyaad tahay, are you a student? Miyaad tahay, arday miyaad tahay, are you a student? And another form of you can ask same question is just using MA. Very simple. MA, arday ma arday ayaa tahay. Ma arday ayaa tahay. Are you a student? Ma arday ayaa tahay. Are you a student? So that is a basic way that you can ask someone if he is whatever that you want to know about him. Are you a student? Are you a doctor? Are you a man? Are you a woman? Are you my friend? So let me give you some more example. The next example, this will be the answer, how the person will answer that question. The word J, that's jawab, that's a answer. Ha, H-A-A, that means yes in Somali. Ha, arday ayaan ahay. Yes, I am a student. Yes, I am a student. Ha, yo, waxaan ahay arday. Ha, arday ayaan ahay. Yes, I am a student. Ha, waxaan ahay arday. Okay, the second question. Adigu macallin miyaa tahay? Adigu macallin miyaa tahay? Ma macallin ayaa tahay. That's a two format again, but if you look at the first word that I put in the blue ink, sometimes the people they use, that means you. Adigu, you. Adigu macallin miyaa tahay? Ma macallin ayaa tahay. That's a two format again, using either miyaad or ma. Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? Adigu macallin miyaa tahay? Are you a teacher? Ma macallin ayaa tahay. That's another format that you can ask a question, and which is a very simple. Adigu, then how you can respond that question? Ha, macallin ayaan ahay. Ha, macallin ayaan ahay. Yes, I am a teacher. Ha, macallin ayaan ahay. Yes, I am a teacher. So you can use this one with some of the formats that we just talk about. Child, unuk. Boy, wheel. Or let me say the Somali word, then English word. Nin, man. Oday, waayeel, elder man. You can use oday or waayeel. Unuk, unuk, unuk. Again, child. Whether that's a boy or a girl, child is a child. Unuk. Next, gabar, 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 girl. Dumar, dumar, woman. Duq, waayeel, elderly women. The word waayeel, you can see both. It's kind of like elderly person somehow. Waayeel, you can use both man and women, but oday, that's specifically for older men. There are some other words that you can use, but there's two ways that you can see duqda waayeel, elderly women. Caruur, caruur, children. Wiilal, boys. Niman, men. Odayaal, elderly men. Caruur, children. Gabdho, girls. Haween, haween, dumar, women. Hooyo, mother. Ma macalin ayaa tahay. Ma macalin ayaa tahay. Macalin miyaa tahay. Yeah, I give you also two examples here. Ma macalin ayaa tahay. Are you a teacher? Ma or macalin miyaa tahay. Or are you a teacher? Let me help you to put some examples. Ma cunug ayaa tahay. Ma wiil ayaa tahay. Are you a boy? Ma nin ayaa tahay. Are you a man? Are you a gabar? Ma gabar ayaa tahay. Are you a girl? Ma gabar ayaa tahay. So I hope this helps a little bit. If I did not confuse you, let me see if you can use ma or mia. Ma or mia. Mia, some people they add with a D, some people they left. It depends who. But that's it. Let me know if you do have a question. This is Ahmed from Aflah Online School. And also I want to share with you, if you guys want to learn more Somali language, you can contact me in my email and I can give you a private tutoring classes, because now I do have more time to help to accomplish these projects. Until then, it's me Ahmed. Goodbye.